everyone, this is Eric, and today I would like to show you guys how to use our sidebar menu. So, as you can see, this is our sidebar menu. We have different kind of icons for you to look. So, the first one is our return icon. So, when you like this, when you open a document, so you can use this icon to return to the last page. You also can close the documents by using this icon. And the second one is our home screen button. So let's say when you open other application, if you want to go back to the home screen quickly, so you can use this. It will help you to start something new quickly. And the third one is our clear button. So if you open too much application and you want to clear it at the same time, so you can use this function. So it will help you clear all the application. And this is our annotation icon. So from what you can see, you can write or you can draw on them. Stop it here, so you can move it. And this one you can change the color of the pen, and this one is the eraser. So you can choose it to erase them. And this one is the delete button. You can clear this page. There are also more options for you to choose. If you want to save this page, so you can choose to save it. You also can insert it into the Whiteboard software. And this one, when you click here, it will generate a QR code so you can share to other people. And next one is the source option. You can choose different kind of inputs. You can see such as the OPS, the HDMI, and for the next one is our shortcut. So you can connect the Wi-Fi. You can connect the boost tools here. So it's very convenient for you to choose. You also can choose different kind of functions here, and also you can adjust your volume and the brightness. And the final icon is you can add more application you like. You can see you can add the application, you can add the tools you like. It's for your choice. And so it's the sharing today. Thank you for your listening.